Hey guys, so today we'll be making some shrimp broccoli. The ingredients we'll be using is bell peppers, onions, carrots, garlic, Scotch bonnet pepper, thyme, and some escallion. Gonna wash those ingredients, cut them up to your desired size, and get ready to prepare our meal. So we'll be washing the broccoli. You have to wash them thoroughly. Like, make sure to get in between the small parts. Make sure all the debris is gone. Then you're gonna get a pot, fill it with water. And that pot will be for the broccoli. That's the pot we're gonna steam the broccoli in. So you fill the pot with water. You put it on the stove. You turn the heat up high to bring it to a boil. Then we're gonna go ahead and clean our shrimp. What you need to clean your shrimp, you need some water. Then you could go ahead and you add your lemon blend. This is what I'm using today because this is what is available to me. If you have lemon, freshly squeezed lemon, you could use that, the lemon juice or the lime juice, whichever one works. But what I'm using today is the lemon blend. So you go ahead, you wash them, and you go ahead and you drain your water off. The reason I'm using the lemon blend is to get rid of this raw scent that the shrimp has. I don't like it, so I use lemon juice or lime juice or whatever you choose to use to clean your shrimp. I'm gonna do that 2 times. Then you're gonna just rinse it off to make sure it's smelling fresh and ready to be prepared. You do that, you just drain your water off, and your shrimp is ready to be seasoned. Okay, so the seasonings we'll be using today is Laurie's seasoned salt. Just a little bit to taste. There's no specific measurement in this video. I'm gonna use some black pepper. And I'm also gonna go ahead now and add some Old Bay seasoning. I like this flavor. I like the flavor the Old Bay seasoning gives to the shrimp. So yeah, I like to use that seasoning. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and mix it up. Make sure it gets everywhere. Yeah. Then we're gonna go ahead right now and turn the heat on high and get ready to saute our seasonings. I'm gonna be using margarine from the tub because that is what is available to me. And we're gonna go ahead and add our seasonings. You wanna make it golden brown. I love that color. So we're just gonna go ahead and add the carrots to the water. That's the same water we're gonna use for the broccoli. We're just gonna make it boil for like 2 minutes. But I put the carrots in first before the broccoli, so the broccoli don't get too soft and saggy. So we're just gonna allow the carrots to boil for about a minute before we go ahead and add our broccoli. Then we're gonna cover that pot and allow it to steam basically for about 2 minutes, as I said before. Then we're gonna go ahead over here and we'll be adding our shrimp. Remember guys, these shrimp is already cooked. They're pre-cooked shrimp. So you don't need to cook them too long because it's gonna get rubbery. You don't need that rubbery taste. So just try to make the shrimp blend with the seasoning to get a flavorful taste. I prefer using raw shrimp, but as I stated before, this is what I have available to me right now. So that is what I'll be using. So our broccoli and our carrots is ready. So we're going to go ahead and turn the flames off. We're going to strain it. Make sure it's not saggy. Make sure it's not sitting in the water. Stir your shrimp. It's perfect. It's ready right now. So we're just going to go ahead and add our carrots and our broccoli. Stir it in. You got to get all of it. Make sure you get all of it. Yes. So we're just going to get it in. Yeah. Just mix it in. Make sure everything is covered. We're going to turn down the heat on medium. We're going to go ahead and add some sauce. This is the sauce I have. This is stir fry sauce. It has soy sauce mixed with it. So I'm just going to add a little bit to taste. Nothing too extra. We're just going to stir it in. Make sure it gets everywhere. Our sauce is nice in the pot. The shrimp is ready. The broccoli is perfect. The carrots are perfect. Perfect. Yes. Oh my gosh, this smells so delicious. I wish you guys could smell it through the phone. This is so delicious, guys. I really recommend you guys trying this recipe. You could add what you choose, take out what you choose. Just make it your dish. When you cook, guys, make the meal yours. That's all you have to do. There's no specific way to cook. You cook how you want to cook because, see, it's ready. Quick and easy. And there we go. Food is served. Perfection. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Tell me something that you would want to see me cook. Thank you guys so much. Enjoy.